Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate the Google Assistant button on this device. So as you can see here on this side of your device, you have one extra button, like you have the power key, volume keys, and this strange key. What is it for? You just tap on it, you press it, long press it, and nothing happens. This is actually the Google Assistant key. So to activate this key, just go to the settings, then go to the system section, and go to the gestures, and here you have Google Assistant button, and here you can switch this button, and as you can see right now, when I tap it, it summons Google Assistant, and yeah. And here you can also disable it if you don't need this feature at all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.